if you take these out right after they cook and peel them, they will not have the green ring on the back of the yolk. I cooked 14 eggs to have 2 extra, but this recipe is the same for a dozen eggs. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And if you like it spicy, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of mustard. Use a fork to mash the egg yolk. Sprinkle with paprika. Place in the container that you'll be serving them in. And you can also add a jalapeno to several of them if you'd like. Also, some chopped bacon is good as well. Refrigerate these for a couple of hours or overnight before serving.